Hi, my name is Abby, and if you're new to our channel, welcome. I make daily vlogs. Yes, what do you want to say? TJ is 17 months. He enjoys trains. Hi. He enjoys saying hi. He enjoys saying no. That's a car. If that all sounds good, why don't you come on our journey? Say go car. You're going to say down. Down. Yay. Go big guy. Go big guy. Go for it. Go baby. Where you want to go? Great job, buddy-o. Whoa, crash.
Okay. How about hush, little baby? Hush, little baby. Don't say a word. Papa's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird don't sing, Papa's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. With a ruff ruff here and a ruff ruff there. Here a ruff, there a ruff, everywhere a ruff ruff. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo. Her to school one day, school one day, school one day. Followed her to school one day because against the rules. Made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. Made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Look, she has a parachute. Wanna go see the parachute? Look, she has a parachute. Get up. Stand up. Let's go see the parachute. You're gonna miss your turn. Oh, come on. No, you don't want up?
Do you want to just swing?
She'll swing you. Peekaboo. Yeah. Go see Coach Claudia. She wants you. Maybe if we put a ball on there. Come on, you're holding up the line. Hurry up. Go see Miss Claudia. Go see Coach Claudia. Yeah, what does she have for you? She has a bar for you. Wow, so big. That's so cute. You want to roll? Roll it, baby. Roll it, baby. Whee! You started over?
Very little horse. Did you see the horse? Hey, did you see the big horse?
Do you see the horses?
And on every barn is a weather van, of course, a golden flying horse. Wow.
No, don't go.
There was a big pile of hay, and the little...
What? What, TJ? What are you saying, boy?
When I shake the big dog.
What do you want to do? Want to do the rock climbing? Come on, grab it. Stand up. Look, stand up on the wall. Can you grab it? Want help? Here, grab it. There you go. Here. No. Good rolling. Now put your hands down. Put your hands down. Roll all the way down. Baby! You gonna roll yourself over? No. Are you having a good time? Okay, big boy just got up from a nap and he had his milk and he was tantrum hungry with the milk. I guess from the gym he was like, finished the milk and he just wanted everything. Muffins were the quickest thing, plus he usually has muffins after his nap. And now he's having one of those Gerber non-refrigerated yogurts. This is his first dairy yogurt since we switched to non-dairy. Well, we're keeping the non-dairy milk, but this is his first dairy yogurt, so we'll see how it goes. Do you like it? Yummy! You looking outside? The beautiful trees that are giving Mommy beautiful allergies. Okay, it's Saturday morning, and I rearranged the track and took away a lot of track. So let's see if this will help him not throw them on the floor, because I think he was annoyed by the other setup. What do you want to say? Hi? Yeah, you like this setup better? So I didn't film yesterday for two reasons. One, I was saving my voice because you can hear it's a little scratchy, and I have the dentist today, so saving my throat. And two, I forgot my phone at home, which is like so classic when you had to leave your phone in the charger all day. Ironically, I only needed like 15% charge. I didn't even need to do that. And I wanted to record Japanese Day at the library. So all I have is a photo from one of the Japanese hosts. He put on a kimono and like a ninja headband. Although they said it wasn't a ninja headband, but I don't know how else to describe it. And that was so cute. I wanted to record it and do a vlog. I was like, oh, I have a great vlog idea, Japanese Day. Forget my phone. So I think I didn't record anything yesterday. I could be wrong. I don't remember. This morning we scared the cat away because the cat poops in our yard. And I actually saw him. I guess he does it early in the morning. And I scared him good. He ran. But yeah, it's the new track setup. What does that mean? Oh yeah? TJ, you want to show them big and little? Where's the other tractor? Oh, it's under there. Okay, TJ. Which tractor is big? And which tractor is little? That one's little? And that one's big? How do you know that? He did that before when it wasn't so obvious. I was amazed. So I guess he knows big and little. Congrats. And now he says ball and buy. Do you say ball? And buy. Ball. Can you say tractor? Tractor. Can you say car? Can you say truck? Here we are at one of our favorite local spots. It's Calcutta Wrap and Roll. You see it's gotten some awards over the time. It's just like, sort of like a takeout place. You want to talk to the camera? So he's just pretending to order, but he's already ordered. We're getting a bunch of stuff, so I'll show you when it comes out. And I don't know if this is, I don't know what drink this is, but I always get it. Coffee or tea, or maybe it's coffee tea. I think it's tea. You know what it is? Tea, right? You know what this drink is?
I thought it was chai tea.
Oh yeah, but it doesn't taste like, maybe it's like unsweetened chai. You want water? Alright, so TJ has this giant dosa to eat, huh? Just kidding, we're all gonna share it.
Keep it on the table. Hey, no.
I think this is the first vlog today, but I'm not sure. But TJ is reading, the placemat is the presidents. Are you learning all the presidents? Show me which one you like. Where's President Trump? Can you find Trump? Right there. Trump. You're at a cool place. It looks like an old lodge or something. I like that. Oh, it actually does look like a lodge. There's a deer up there. Why is it called? I guess it's called Cole's. What?
That's the singer from The Cure.
Oh, that's cool. Cool place. What do you think? Good? We haven't gotten the food yet. We just ordered. Right, baby?
That's funny.
You enjoying yourself? You got your burger and fries. And Rod has made a pizza burger because even though it's at a different table, that's our pizza. We just didn't have any room for it. So you just having the burger. We'll try the pizza. Right? You'll try the pizza after you finish your plate. So far, so good. Let's wrap up this week's vlog. We hope we all feel better. Baby's been sneezing and coughing. Up. You want to say up? Say up. Say, if you like what you see, please hit the like button. And if you're not already, please subscribe. I make daily vlogs daily, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good job. Yay. Blow them a kiss. Mwah.